building my first computer, so that's going to be an experience. Also, thanks to Linus Tech Tips for the video I'm going to have YouTube going on over there. Intel Core i3, i3-1600, got a GTX 1050 Ti, super clocked. I got 8 gigabytes of ballistics DDR4 RAM. You can't tell, but this is the box for the 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive. We got a EVGA 430 watt power supply, A+ certified. So I got a motherboard. It's no point for me. Cougar MX200. Nice. Alright, so what I'm being told by the video is that I need, well, it would be smart, start it off getting the whole motherboard situation figured out, which does make sense. So I'll have all the parts of this linked down below. So this is cords for power, IO shields. So many techies. Somebody in the comments will get upset with me for me not knowing what I'm doing. Alright, so we got the motherboard out of the box. So you guys are getting multiple unboxings in one, which is lucky. I decided to go with this price because it seemed relatively inexpensive. I ordered every single product off Amazon. We have the cooling fan and CPU. Okay, so I got it out. Okay guys, well I wasn't recording, I got the CPU fan installed. It's just an 8 gigabit stick that I have right now, because I didn't feel like buying 16 gigabytes. Oh, it's in. Is it? Is it in? It's in. Okay, that was pretty good. This is the case that I bought. It's a CyberPower, or not CyberPower, it's a Cougar case. And I thought it looked very good, and it was pretty inexpensive, that's why I bought it. Okay, so let's start building. We have got everything that we needed to. We got the case undone, and we're just going to drop the motherboard in there. Yep. And then after that,
Okay guys, so we just screwed in the 6 bolts, or screws. They're right there, and there.
Yeah, there's
anything with that's got red around them. There's 6 of them.
We got the IO shields here.
Yeah, as you can see, all of them, they pop through there so you can plug everything in.
Now, we were confused for a minute, but then once you read the manual, which...
Yeah, every frame or body is the same. It's not the same, so you gotta read the manual.
Yeah. Alright, we'll update you when we're further along. Another update. So, we installed everything. We plugged in everything from there. We tried to do good cable management, so everything's coming in through there. We have, if you can see, all the cables at the back. So we plugged in everything. We think everything's okay. The only thing we're worried about is those little things there. Sorry. And, yeah, after that, we just have to put in the graphics card and the hard drive and the power supply, and then after it'll be done.
We just put in the power supply. Yeah, 4 screws went in on the back, and then we plugged in this yellow wire and that over there. So those are the two things that connected to the motherboard, and now Matt's putting in the graphics card.
2 hours later.
Alright, so it's been a while, so we took out the brackets here. It took a little while, that's why we weren't filming, but it all worked out. So those brackets are out, and so now we put in the GPU and the graphics card, and it's all put in. It looks very good. And it looks very good. And now all we have to do is put in the hard drive, and then we're gonna turn it on. It's 6.5 hours later.
Pretty much.
And we've finished everything. This might not look like very great cable management, but that's the best we can do, honestly.
That is really good.
That's really good for what we had. So this fan, we need another connector for that fan, but that's fine for now. Everything's plugged in. The hard drive and everything, I'm not going to break it down for you because I showed it to you before. And we tried to route all of the cables, and now we're going to try to turn it on.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, so it's been a while, but it's the next day, and we have plugged in everything correctly. Everything's in, and we are just about to turn it on. Everything's correctly put in, and we just have to flick on the switch and then turn it on and see if it works. So, all of the power's on. Button. Alright, so everything seems to be working, and I'd say this is successful. I'm not gonna lie, we did have a problem before, but we had to replug everything, but now it's working. So what we took away from building the computer is that it's very time consuming and very frustrating.
Well, it was kind of frustrating because it didn't turn on at first, but then we just went over all our wires, and then we figured some stuff wasn't plugged in. So once we had done that and it worked, it was like really rewarding, and like we were really happy that it worked.
Yeah, it was also, don't get me wrong, it was very fun working on it. Well, okay, if things worked out, it was very fun working on it. It was about a 7-hour project, so...
Yeah.
But we're also beginners, so we don't know. It took us 7 hours about that. But everything's working, and we're happy that it's working, and we're going to do another update about how everything runs on it. And yeah, that's going to end the video, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.
And have a great day.
Have a great day.